Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another look for 31 Days of Halloween, and today I am doing a deranged kind of Joker court jester sort of look. So this takes a lot of face paint, but you can really make it however you want. If you want to do a full face white or kind of do like a heart shape, you know, it's really up to you how you do this. So I'm going to jump in and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is start wetting my brush because we are going to do a base of white paint. I use water activated paint for the most part. I don't really use a whole lot of cream paint. For this I would recommend cream paint. I just don't have any. So I'm gonna start with the Snazaroo water activated white from this giant palette I got. It's so cool. It's like all your base colors that you would need. You can mix just about any color you could ever want from this. And I'm gonna start painting my whole face white. So I have my white base down. The paint doesn't have to be perfect just yet, obviously, because we're going to be adding stuff on top of it, so it can be a little smudgy and a little bit streaky right now. So I'm going to keep going with the face, and we'll do the eyes last, which is kind of backwards, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do with my eyes yet. So I'm going to start by adding a dark blush to the apples of my cheeks. For the eyes, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers stencil. I really like the eye shape that was on here, so I'm just going to pop this on. It's just a peel off sort of sticker. These are really great, and you can usually get them for like 99 cents. So I have one stencil on. I'm going to go into my Vice 3 palette. I know, an oldie but a goodie. And I'm going to go into the color, I think it's Arctic. It's literally like caked with shadow. You can't even see it, but I'm pretty sure this is Arctic. It's like a deep teal. We're gonna do this on the inner half. It's really sparkly. I'm gonna take it underneath as well. I'm gonna take a hot pink color and put this on the other half. The colors make a really pretty purple in the middle when they come together. And it doesn't have to be perfectly blended because I'm gonna add some details here that we'll cover that up. But again, take the color underneath. And with these stencils, it might take a little bit of your paint off. So just have your brush handy to buff that out. So I'm not even gonna bother with eyebrows for this look because it literally makes no sense. I'm going to take my black liquid liner and we're going to add some jestery kind of details. I'm gonna start by drawing a line right down the middle of the two shadows, and notice I inverted the colors from side to side. I drew the line down the middle, just extend it upwards above the brow like that, and then you're going to add a little dot. Same thing going down, but make this bottom one a bit thicker. I'm going to do one coming off the end like a wing as well. Now I'm going to throw on just some regular mascara. If you have a colored mascara that kind of matches this, like a pink or a blue, go with that. But I do not have a pink or a blue mascara, but I do have the Wet n Wild false eyelashes that are blue and glow in the dark, so I'm going to throw those on. top and bottom set because I cut them in half because they're so big. So I'm going to put the bigger ones on the top and the smaller ones on the bottom. So now I'm going to paint over my mouth with the white paint. To get the kind of deranged, spooky, scary kind of look, I'm going to do like a big smiling mouth. So I'm going to outline that in black first. The creepy teeth, I'm just drawing little black squares that I'm not filling in around the white. Now I'm going to outline some lips on top of the smile. Now I'm going to fill in that lip shape with some bright pink paint. But now that I have that completely outlined, I'm going to start working on the collar for this look. I'm going to try and do like, I think maybe purple and blue, just so it's a little bit different from the face, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to do a rainbow collar. I think that'll look really cool. So I'm going to start with yellow. All right, so I have the collar painted on, filled in and outlined. I'm just gonna take some of these gems that I had left over from last year. They're these Wet n Wild ones. They match my color scheme. So I'm going to throw them on around my eyes. So this is the finished look. I think it's a good combination of pretty and very spooky. So if you guys like this look, make sure you subscribe down below so you can check out more on my channel, and follow me on Instagram so you can see the looks kind of in pictures. Sometimes I edit my eyes and stuff for videos because I can't put contacts in. So if you want to see those, check it out over there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.